Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to change your YouTube profile picture. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to change your YouTube profile picture, simply guys, first go to your YouTube channel. As you can see here, my YouTube channel. In the top right corner, as you can see here, click in the circle above. Okay, here look at manage your Google account. As you can see, click here. Okay guys, in the home section, in the left pane, look at the circle in the middle, click there. Okay, here we have two choices. First one, upload photos from your computer. As you can see, you can select any one. As an example, I will select this cat, black cat. Okay, okay, we can crop this picture. When you finish, click set as profile photo. Okay, as you can see, my profile picture has been changed. Also guys, if you have in the second option, your photos, if you have any previous uploaded picture, you can put again. Okay, as you can see here, I will put this one. Okay, we can also crop this one, set as profile photo. Okay, that's it guys. As you can see, my YouTube profile picture changed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.